Hello and welcome to Winslow Invest. So in previous tips and tricks videos here on the channel, we have seen how we can select data and then do auto sum on these data in order to get some values calculated. But what few are aware of, even though that is present all the time, is that in the status bar at the bottom of your Excel application, you can actually see some information as well based on the data that you have selected. You can even right click and then add, for example, other values so that you get the minimum and maximum value, and then this information that is displayed right here is adjustable based on what you select. So if I select these four column tabs here, then we see that the amount is 4, what is the middle value, minimum, maximum, and the total sum. So this gives you a quick and easy way to quickly analyze and get an overview of some data in a data set without having to do some calculation on it or applying some automatically auto sum function. So you can just quickly select anywhere in the data, and then you will get the data that you wish to see, minimum, max, and other values as well, right down in the bottom of the application. This was all for this quick tutorial. See you next time, and Winslow Invest.